Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram app not working. So first of all, we need to go to the settings and check our internet connection. So first of all, go to mobile service and turn off mobile data and then turn it on again. Then go back, turn on airplane mode and turn it off once again. It will reload all the services on your phone and because it may be the reason why the Telegram is not loading. If the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to go to the general here and click on iPhone storage. Now in this list of applications, scroll down and click on Telegram right here, and then you need to click on offload app and then offload app again to confirm the action, because we will delete the cache of the application, because the cache may be the reason why we get this type of problem, and then you'll need to reinstall the application from the same screen here, then close and check and go back to the Telegram and check if the problem is gone or not. And the last thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to open the App Store on your device, go to the search and search for the Telegram. Here, click on the Telegram and make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram, because if you're not, this is maybe the reason why we get this type of problem. So you need to update the app to stay up to date and delete all the bugs and problems. So basically that is it. That is how we can fix Telegram app not working. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.